In this video, we are going to talk about how to fix this joy not working, connection activation and reset troubleshooting. Fix 1. Check power and connection. You just have to make sure that the power cord is plugged tightly to both the joy and the wall outlet. If you are using a power strip or strut protector, try to plug the joy directly to the wall. Check the HDMI cable is connected firmly to both the joy and your TV. Set your TV to the correct HDMI input like HDMI 1 or HDMI 2 where the joy is connected. Fix 2. Restart the joy. First of all, you just have to unplug the joy's power cable and wait around 10 to 30 seconds. And plug the power cable back in and allow the device to fully boot up. It may usually take few minutes. Fix 3. Restart the main hooper first. First of all, you just have to locate the main disk hooper box and unplug the power cable and wait around 10 seconds. And reconnect the power cable and then you have to wait 5 minutes for a full reboot. Then after hooper restart the Joy 2. 4. Activation and linking problem. Link the Joy to your hooper. Press the home button 3 times on the Joy and navigate to the whole home or diagnose menu. Then select detective device and select the hooper and press select to link. So this all help you to resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.